Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a number field in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you're creating forms that require numerical input like invoices, order forms, or expense reports where you need precise formatting for amounts and calculations. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to work with. This brings up your document and gets you ready to start adding your number field. Now look over to the left panel where you'll see various options. Click on All Tools and then click View More to expand the full range of tools available. This gives you access to all the advanced features that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers for working with PDFs in the Tools menu. Look for Prepare a Form and click it. This is the feature that lets you create and edit fillable form fields in your PDF. Once you've clicked it, you'll see an option to click Create Form. Go ahead and select that to enter the form editing mode. Here's where the customization begins. Right-click on the number field you want to modify, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens up all the settings and options for that specific field. In the top toolbar, click Format. This is where you'll define how your number field behaves and displays numerical data. It's a crucial step for ensuring your form collects data in exactly the format you need. Navigate to select Format Category and click the drop-down menu beside it. From the options that appear, select Number. This tells Adobe that this field will only accept numerical input and allows you to set specific formatting rules. Next, navigate to Decimal Places and click the drop-down menu beside it. Here, select your preferred number of decimal places based on what your form requires. This ensures consistency in how numbers are displayed throughout your form. Now navigate to Separator Style and click the drop-down menu beside it. Select your preferred separator style from the available options. This determines how thousands and decimals are separated, which can vary depending on regional preferences or your specific needs. Once you've made all your selections, click Close to apply all the changes you've made to the number field. Your settings are now saved and the field is configured exactly how you want it. In the bottom left corner, click Preview to test the number field and make sure it's working correctly. This is an important step to verify that your formatting choices display as expected when someone fills out the form. Once you're satisfied with how everything works, click Exit Preview in the upper right corner. This takes you back to the editing view where you can make any final adjustments if needed. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button to save all your changes to the PDF form. Your number field is now properly configured and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.